ever been to Buffalo when the winter wind begins to blow and the temperature is 10 below? You could freeze in Buffalo. Have you ever been to Buffalo when lightning's in the winter sky and thunder makes the children cry? When it's life or death in Buffalo. In 77 there was such a storm, and it snowed and snowed till it covered the doors, and Buffalo soon was an icy grave, and many still thank God for the lucky ones we saved. When the blizzard hit its peak, it didn't take long before the whole area was paralyzed. It wasn't too bad for those stranded near buildings. They just abandoned their vehicles and made their way to warmth and shelter. But for those that were stranded in rural districts, it was pure hell. Some stayed where they were, the shelter of their cars and trucks and buses. That was enough to keep them alive. Some with CBs radioed for help, and all-night volunteer snowmobilers rescued thousands. Some trekked through the blizzard to farmhouses. And yeah, some just didn't make it either way. In 77, the blizzard did call, and no one believed all the snow that could fall. In the minds of the people, there's fear and disdain, for the blizzard of 77 remains. Gasoline, soon a disaster scene, and fear laid the city low. When the guard was called to Buffalo, they showed up in numbers strong, said it wouldn't take too long, but I heard them say when they saw the snow, my God, what's become of Buffalo? In 77, the blizzard did call, and no one believed all the snow that could fall. In the minds of the people, there's fear and disdain, for the blizzard of 77 remains. Yeah, the blizzard of 77 remains.